Welcome to part one of the Ultimate Stock Market Masterclass. Today, we strip back the noise and build your foundation. No music, just knowledge. Financial markets are the heart of the global economy. They move capital to where it can create the most value and solve the biggest problems. At their core, markets exist to connect those with extra money to those who have productive ideas to grow. It is a bridge between today and tomorrow. Without these markets, the economy would grind to a halt. They provide the liquidity and efficiency that modern life requires to function and thrive. When you buy a stock, you aren't just betting on a price. You are providing the capital that allows a company to innovate and create new jobs. This efficient allocation of capital is what makes the modern standard of living possible. It is the silent engine of human progress and innovation. Liquidity is the ability to buy or sell an asset almost instantly at a fair price. Without it, the market would be a very dangerous place. Think of the stock market like a giant farmer's market. Instead of apples and oranges, people are trading pieces of the world's greatest businesses. The market never sleeps. It is a global web of information and capital that operates 24 hours a day across every continent and time zone. Transparency is the bedrock of the market. It means that everyone has access to the same basic information about the companies they are buying. In the digital age, the market has moved from physical floors to high-speed servers. It is a technological marvel of coordination and speed. Every trade involves risk, but where there is risk, there is the potential for reward. Understanding this balance is the key to your success. Now let's look at what we are actually trading. We need to distinguish between money, assets, and investments. They are not the same. Money is a medium of exchange. It is a tool to buy things today. But money by itself does not grow. It is a passive instrument. In a world of inflation, holding cash is like holding a melting ice cube. Every day, its purchasing power shrinks just a little bit more. Productive assets, on the other hand, are engines. They produce value. They grow. They are the only way to stay ahead of the silent tax of inflation. Equity, or stocks, represent a piece of a business. As that business grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your piece grows with it. As an owner, you have a claim on the future. You are a partner in the company's journey and a participant in the value they create for society. An investment is simply the sacrifice of current consumption for the expectation of greater future value. It is planting a tree for tomorrow's shade. Successful investing requires a shift in your time horizon. It's about thinking in years and decades, not in days or even months. Compounding interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It starts slow, but over time, it becomes an unstoppable force for building your wealth. The math of compounding is simple but powerful. Your earnings begin to earn their own earnings, creating a snowball effect of growth. The most valuable asset you have is time. Every day you wait to start is a day of compounding you can never get back. Start as early as you can. Consistency is the key. Small, regular investments over a long period will always outperform large, infrequent bets made in a panic. Now let's talk about the biggest obstacle you will face: your own mind. Psychology is the #1 reason retail investors fail. The market is driven by two primal emotions: fear and greed. Most people buy when they are greedy and sell when they are terrified. This emotional roller coaster is a trap. It causes people to buy at the peak of euphoria and sell at the bottom of despair. It's a wealth destroyer. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, is a dangerous force. It drives people to enter the market when it is already overpriced and due for a correction. Loss aversion is another trap. We feel the pain of loss twice as much as the joy of gain, leading us to make irrational decisions under pressure. Recency bias causes us to believe that what happened yesterday will continue forever. It blinds us to the cyclical nature of the financial markets. To succeed, you must learn to override your biological instincts. You must learn to be greedy when others are fearful and fearful when others are greedy. Discipline is the bridge between your goals and your accomplishments. It is the ability to stick to your plan when your emotions are telling you to run. Successful investors develop a calm center. They focus on the facts and the data, not the noisy headlines and the opinions of the crowd. No music. We have covered the heart of the system and the mind of the investor. We have built the first level of your foundation, but we are just beginning. No music. You don't have to do this alone. The Black Capital Club family is here to support you and provide the community you need to master this game. No music. Your future is built on the choices you make today. Choose education. Choose discipline. Choose to be a master of your own financial destiny. No music. Follow us now, join the Black Capital Club family, and stay tuned for segment 2, where we dive into the major players of the arena. Master the game, no music.